Very fancy.
See what that tastes like.
Verdict?
Perfect.
Me, Greek God X! I will represent all men in the chat! And I will not look at a single boob! And I will not look at a single butt in this video! Let's go! Fuck!
I have no soul. Have a nice day!
I don't have one either.
Sometimes I feel I've got to.
Arsene Wenger was happy to pose for the pictures ahead of Arsenal's match at Red Star Belgrade, but will he still be smiling tomorrow night?
I guess my first question is, are you twins in real life?
No.
Right, okay.
No, it's quite a weird story. We met at the audition process, didn't we? Yeah.
It's very lucky for the producers that you do look so similar.
Yeah, no, it is, yeah.
Or did you have a lot of work done?
No, he had a lot of work done, you know, to look like this.
I was the kid. I was writing games when I was, 12, whatever. And the other kids in the block would say, I'm going to play quarterback for the Cowboys. And I'd be like, I'm going to make video games and everyone's going to play them. Like, you dork. Go back to the chess club. Who's laughing now? Yes, I was in the chess club.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.
What piece of advice would you give to victims of cyberbullying?
I think the best advice I would give to cyberbullying is, the best advice I would give to cyberbullying is, I'm sorry. Okay. I think the best advice I would give to cyberbullying is to love your mother.